Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to the second part of Luna Classic update. So today on the Discord I actually did tell people to tool up this post 30 times to get a part 2 today. So do join our Discord, it's very easy, okay? The link is in the description of the video. That's the Discord link. Click on this one. It's a very expensive group of $0. So yeah, it's really expensive. So you don't even have, you really have to pay like $0 to enter, right? So get your money ready. Click on that one. It's an open invitation and enter this one so that you can chat with one another, because we do have a Luna channel down here, so do check it out. Now the second part is up now. Pretty much we already have confirmed that we are going in for the C wave, and the C wave is what I'm looking forward to, right? So now so many people, I've even been reading the comments that, oh no, Luna is doing whatever it wants to do. I don't pretty much think that Luna is doing whatever it wants to do. So far, there's always an answer to everything. It's just that you don't get the answer to that thing. You actually have to analyze. So the only answer I have right now is on the 4-hour time frame, and I've talked about this one before. The first wave, the second one, went for the third one, for the fourth one, and then the fifth wave, right? So 5 wave of the elite wave theory followed by the A, B, C correction. So there's the A. Here's your B right there, and you're looking for the C correction all the way down to perhaps this level that I told you today up there, right? Now, how do you invalidate the ABC correction, right? The only way, if you really want to make sure that you're moving higher, what I'm going to say is that keep this thing in mind. Invalidation to the upside can also happen if magic happens somehow, but I highly doubt you're going to actually invalidate that ABC correction. But it's really important to point it out. By the end of the day, it's just an educational video, so I want to bring the education to the best as I can and actually teach you in a simple manner. We already have the elite wave theory here, okay? And for this elite wave theory, they actually said that an impulsive wave itself always subdivides into 5 waves to a lesser degree. Pretty sure you didn't understand that one, but I'm going to tell you what is going on, right? So when you have that potential A, and then the B, and then the C correction right here, which is the biggest one, by the way. So this is your A, right? That's going to be your B right there. And then you go for that C. The length of the A is always short, and if you look at the length of the C from B to C, it's always going to be higher than the A to B. Actually, the A doesn't come here, the A is actually down there. So what I'm gonna do is remove this one. The A is not really there, the A actually is down here. That's the A, that's the B, that's the C. All right, pretty simple. So what does this mean? An impulse wave itself always subdivides into 5 waves to a lesser degree. That actually means within this big C correction, because people are saying, and I'm going to address this issue, try to give the best answer possible to people who are confused. Why the hell do we have a big drop to the downside and then we suddenly push higher? We're going to answer that one. So this is how it goes. Within a B to C correction, you're going to have another elite wave theory, but actually in a downtrend and not in an uptrend. The same way you had one elite wave theory like this one, the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? If you do want to learn trading in detail manner, I do have a trading analysis course, and it's in 18 hours of content. You can check it out. Again, the link is in the description of the video, so that's the trading course right over there. You can click on it, check it out. What they mean by that is you're going to have one first wave, a second wave, right? A second wave, a pull to the upside, a third wave, a fourth wave, and a fifth wave within the B to C correction. So that pretty much means from B to C, it's not a straight journey to the downside. It's a wavy journey of an elite wave 5 theory to the downside. All right, now we got that part out of the way. And let's go and apply this one into the logic, right? So what I'm going to do is to remove the 5 wave, and let's bring in the ABC correction. This is what we want to practice now. We already, talked about the subdivision of the 5 wave. So here we are. If I do now dive into the 15 minutes time frame, because this is going to be on the lower time frame and it's going to be visible in the lower time frame, what I would say is that you've already put like an A first wave, this is the second wave. You're looking for that third big drop potentially, go for the fifth wave and go for that sixth wave down there, right? Down here near the 8030, and that's going to be your big support moving forward. So why is this going to happen like this? How do I know that maybe you come down to, first of all, 9,000, then go higher, and then go down to 8,010? You bring the fibs. So we're going to match the fibs as well. So let's do that very, very quickly. Okay, so this is going to be fun, really, really fun to watch. So let's bring the fib retracement, and this was an impulsive wave, I guess, from there to there, right? And boom, right over here. So you can see everything pretty much follows the fib retracement. Why the hell did you just pump all the way up here and then you came down and you find support where? At the 0.382. When you went to the upside, where did you find resistance? Again, 0.236. This is the same way that I'm predicting the 5 wave count. So let's go into the smaller time frame. Using the fibs, you can actually try to get the clue of where the next drop of the impulsive wave. Now this is all just my own experiment. Doesn't really mean that it's going to happen 100% the way I'm thinking it's going to happen, but it's just an observation at best. So what I'm going to do is just push this a little bit to the side, right over there, again, just right there, and place it down here. All right, so let me remove this line once again, and let's redraw everything. So let's redraw the 5 count of the Elliott wave theory of a downtrend, right? So the first, you've already seen this one. This was your potential A. Where the hell did you go? 0.382. Did you get your answer? You bounce off there, and then you went for the this was the first wave, second wave, third is going to be the largest one, so that takes you where? 9259. Okay, and then you make the fourth wave a little bit bounce to the upside, and then finally you go for the golden ratio 8055, and you complete the A, B, C correction, and you also complete that 5 count of the Elliott wave theory to go to the downside. And this is why I've said before, and listen again carefully, if you're looking to go below this level, below that level, and I'm going to leave this chart pretty much like this for the next coming few days. This is what we're looking for. This is going to be the setup for the next coming few days. And that's why I say that if you actually lose the golden ratio, then you are looking to drop all the way down to 2474, because you're losing the momentum. It's like a downtrend trade instead of an uptrend, right? So the uptrend gets invalidated. As long as you're above 8055, that means the uptrend is being held. That's in simple word. That's how the uptrend is supposed to be held. But if you're going to lose the 0.618, you create the other way around. You're losing the uptrend and you're looking for a continued downtrend. That's what it means actually. So let's go back here, and I don't know, I just want to Google if the definition of a reversal wave. Reversal wave in trading, I guess. How to spot reversals with Elliott wave theory. So this is just, it's going to be a really long detailed topics if we start to open up the blogs and everything, but I just guess so here we are. One thing that I would like to see for Luna Classic is that after you complete that 5th wave, there comes an ABC correction to the upside. So it goes the both ways. Okay, so first of all, just the same way, if I dive again into the 4-hour time frame here, what did you do? The 5 counts, okay? So the 5 counts. I'm going to bring this once again here, try to zoom in so that we can get a clear view. Boom, right there. All right, so the first wave, second wave, third, fourth, fifth, A, B, the C correction. It goes for the other side, which is known as a vice versa, if you want to put it that way. So when you put that A, B, C correction, you might be looking for the, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a downtrend. Then you're looking for a mini A, B, and the C correction, just as you can see in this image as well. So you might just do that. But if you end up not really doing that and you lose this level, you are doing something very different and something really ugly to go to the downside. And that's it for today's update. Hope you enjoyed this lectured lengthy video on Luna Classic for the second part. Join the Discord, check the course if you want to learn more, and I'm going to see you in the next one. I love this.